Hello dear students, in the previous video we already discussed about chemical properties of nitric acid. In this video I am going to discuss another one concept, that is about phosphorus. Yes, phosphorus. The symbol of this phosphorus is P, atomic number is 15 and its electronic configuration is neon 3s2 3p3 3s2 3p3. Yes, students, this phosphorus is usually exists in form of phosphide rocks. Remember, phosphorus, it is available from the phosphide rocks which is observed in the earth crust. Mainly there are three allotropic forms of phosphorus. This is very important. Mainly there are three types of allotropic forms of phosphorus is observed. What are those? See here. First one, white phosphorus. White phosphorus. Second one, red phosphorus. Third one, black phosphorus. Black phosphorus. Yes, students. Usually, nowadays in CBSE syllabus, these allotropic forms of phosphorus is removed. This syllabus is removed, but it is very helpful for NEET and JEE examination. When you observe the previous year question papers, there is one question that is related to phosphorus, especially the allotropic forms of phosphorus. Therefore, we just discuss the main points which are appear in presence of allotropic forms of phosphorus. Yes, in that first one, white phosphorus. White phosphorus. What are some properties? See here one by one. White phosphorus, it is one of the soft and waxy solid. It is one of the soft and waxy solid containing garlic odor. Yes, even the white phosphorus soft ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ waxy solid means ಮೇನ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ ಆ ಮೇನ ತರ ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತದೆ and it containing garlic odor. ಇದು ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ತರ ವಾಸನೆಗೆ ಒಳಪಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತದೆ. Next, another point, white phosphorus, it is insoluble in water. It is insoluble in water, but soluble in organic solvents. Organic solvents like carbon disulfide, benzene, etc. Your white phosphorus, it is insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents like CS2, benzene, etc. Next, another point, it glows because of oxidation process. It glows because of oxidation process. Especially this process is also known as chemiluminescence. Process is also called as chemiluminescence. Chemiluminescence. And this chemiluminescence, it is the process which emission of light during a particular chemical reaction. It glows because of oxidation process. Usually white phosphorus, it glows in the dark. White phosphorus. It glows in dark because of oxidation process. This process is also known as chemiluminescence. Next point. Remember students, this is very important. It is means white phosphorus, it is less stable and more reactive. It is less stable and more reactive. Which one? White phosphorus is less stable and more reactive. Next, another point related to white phosphorus. When it is treated with, means when white phosphorus treated or reacted with aqueous NaOH, means aqueous caustic soda, it forms sodium hypophosphate, and phosphine. Remember, this is one of the gas. Phosphine is one of the gas or dangerous gas containing formula PH3. If you want the reaction, see here. P4 means phosphorus, especially white phosphorus, when it is treated with aqueous form of caustic soda, means I write H2O here, we get the products. Which one? Sodium hypophosphate. And its formula is NaH2 PO2 plus of PH3, means phosphine gas. S, write 3 here and 3, then balance this. Here 3 Na. S, how many phosphorus here? Here 3. As it is balanced. 3. Yes, it is balanced. Yes, when white phosphorus is reacted with aqueous caustic soda, it forms sodium hypophosphite and phosphine. Next, another reaction. It's another point which is related to white phosphorus. I write 6th point. When white phosphorus, means I write before only, white phosphorus is reacted with oxygen, it forms phosphorus pentoxide, P4O10, means phosphorus pentoxide or P2O5, or 2 moles of P2O5 right here, P2O5, phosphorus pentoxide. Write the reaction like this. When P4 it is treated with oxygen, it forms 2 moles of P2O5, or you can also write P4O10. As balance this, here I write 5 moles of O2. as when white phosphorus is react with oxygen, it forms phosphorus pentoxide. Yes, another point which is related to white phosphorus is white phosphorus, it contains tetrahedral structure with a bond angle 60 degree. Remember, this is very important. It contains tetrahedral structure with a bond angle 60 degree. I write the structure of white phosphorus here. As this is the structure of white phosphorus. Just remember these points which explains the properties of white phosphorus. Next, go to the another type of allotrophic form, that is red phosphorus. Okay, I have this. Now we'll move to the properties of red phosphorus. ಈ ಒಂದು ವೈಟ್ ಫಾಸ್ಫರಸ್ ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರೆಡ್ ಫಾಸ್ಫರಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತದೆ? As in that red phosphorus, first point is when the white phosphorus is heated, at 573 Kelvin temperature, when white phosphorus is heated at 573 Kelvin temperature, 573 Kelvin temperature, in presence of inert gas. Remember, this is very important. When the white phosphorus is heated at 573 Kelvin temperature in presence of inert gas, why these gases are called inert gas? Also noble gases, because of they do not form or do not combine with other atoms. Chemically, they are inert. Yes, when white phosphorus is heated at 573 Kelvin temperature in presence of inert gas, it forms red phosphorus. Yes, I write reaction like this. White phosphorus is heated at 573 Kelvin temperature, and in presence of inert gas we get red phosphorus. It's red phosphorus. Students, when you compare the white phosphorus and red phosphorus, it do not glows in dark. Compare the points. It do not glow in dark, but white phosphorus it glows in presence of dark because of oxidation process. ಇದು ಈ ಒಂದು ರೆಡ್ ಫಾಸ್ಫರಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಕತ್ತಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಳೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. It do not glows in dark. Next, another point with respect to red phosphorus. It is more stable. Remember, it is more stable and less reactive. It is more stable stable and less reactive. Allotropic form of phosphorus. Allotropic form of phosphorus. Remember, this is very important point. It is more stable but less reactive allotropic form of phosphorus. Can you observe the structure of this red phosphorus? Here the white phosphorus structure means molecules, P4 molecule is combined in presence of a polymeric chain. Therefore, I write the structure of red phosphorus here. The structure of red phosphorus appears like this. There is a polymeric chain present between the molecules. The structure of red phosphorus appears like this. Remember, among these points, it is more stable and less reactive allotropic form of phosphorus is very important. Yes, next point, another one allotropic form of phosphorus, that is black phosphorus. You want the concept of your central syllabus, CBSE ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ allotropic forms of phosphorus ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ನಾವು CET ಮತ್ತು NEET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ JEE ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಳಜಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Next, another one type, black phosphorus. Yes, students, black phosphorus, it is the derivative of red and white phosphorus. It is the derivative of red and white phosphorus. It is mainly exist in two forms. One is alpha black phosphorus and another one beta black phosphorus. One is alpha black phosphorus and another one beta black phosphorus. In that first one, alpha black phosphorus. Remember, black phosphorus is usually it is the derivative of white phosphorus and red phosphorus. Students, when red phosphorus, remember, when red phosphorus is heated at 803 Kelvin temperature, remember this is very important. When red phosphorus is heated at 803 Kelvin temperature in presence of sealed tube, then you get the black means alpha black phosphorus. See here, when red phosphorus is heated at 803 Kelvin temperature in presence of sealed tube, we get alpha black phosphorus. Next one, beta black phosphorus. Alpha black and another one, beta black phosphorus. Remember, when white phosphorus, it is heated at 473 Kelvin temperature in presence of high pressure. Yes, remember, when white phosphorus is heated at 473 Kelvin temperature and high pressures, we get beta black phosphorus. Yes, ಒಂದು ವೈಟ್ ಫಾಸ್ಫರಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು 473 ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೈ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ? ಫಾಸ್ಫರಸ್. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್? ಬೀಟಾ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಫಾಸ್ಫರಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. If you continue this concept, the beta black here, beta black phosphorus is formed. If you again heat this in presence of 873 Kelvin temperature, again it forms red phosphorus. Yes, this is about the allotropic forms of phosphorus. Remember, black phosphorus is one of the most stable isotope of the phosphorus. Sorry, allotrope of the phosphorus.